I'm feeling extra bored today. I know. Let's put Windows ME on this thing. Using a virtual machine, of course. Because this laptop, specifically this HP ProBook, is way too new to be running Windows ME. So there's really no other way to get it running, unfortunately. So let's get logged in and boot up VMware. Alright, VMware. Let's do this, bitch. What? Son of a bitch. Airplane. I'll show you Microsoft proprietary virtual machine software. Well, guess what? There's this thing called freeware. VirtualBox. Yeah. Download for Windows hosts. Yeah. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever. All done. Time to install. Yeah. Welcome to the Oracle VM VirtualBox 6.1.6 Setup Wizard. The setup will now install. Yeah, I don't care. Yep, give me all that. Give me it all. I want it all. Installing the Oracle VM VirtualBox 6.1.6 network features will reset your network connection and will temporarily disconnect you from your network. Yes, let's do it. Install. Now I'm hoping this doesn't erase my internet connection credentials. I don't want to put that all in again. Would you like to install this device software? Sure, as long as it doesn't mess up my regular USB drivers on this thing. Did it open? Oh, wait, it was already open. I don't want to spend the time to install a new version. I think we'll be fine with our version for now. Okay, so since Windows ME is MS-DOS based, it's going to need a boot disk from a floppy in order to get working. Well, this laptop does not have a floppy drive, nor does it even have an optical drive. But luckily, we can emulate that once we set up everything, of course. We go to New, Name, Windows ME, in parentheses, why am I doing this? And hey, would you look at that? It even knows what we're installing. That's nice. Machine folder, yeah, that's fine. Next. Probably not going to need a whole lot of memory for Windows ME. I mean, this laptop has 16 gigabytes of memory, so we'll be fine. 128 megs is fine. Hard disk. Create a virtual hard disk. Recommended hard disk space is 4 gigabytes. Yeah, that's fine. Create. Yeah, that's fine. VirtualBox disk image. Dynamic will leave you space on your physical hard drive as it fills up. Let's just use fixed for now. We're probably not really going to be using a whole lot on Windows ME. File location and size. Windows ME, why am I doing this? / Windows ME, why am I doing this? .vdi. Select the size of virtual hard disk in megabytes. 4 gigabytes will be fine. Create. All right, looks like we got everything all installed, and all we have to do is set it up. I will be honest with you, I haven't really used much of VirtualBox. I've been using a lot of VMware. Well, at least until my free trial expired. So we're just gonna wing it. It can't be that different, right? Let's see. System. Boot order, floppy drive, optical drive, hard drive. That's exactly what we want. Now, I think there should be a way to set up. I have a boot ISO of Windows ME as well as the boot disk. I wonder if there's a way to set that. Aha, there we go. This is what I want. Floppy drive. Let's see. Choose a virtual floppy disk or a physical drive to use with this virtual drive. We want to choose a disk file. And that is right here. That's the one we want. And then we're going to add our optical disk that we're going to use. Specifically, it is right here. Okay. Let's see. We want a bridged connection in which it'll piggyback off of our Wi-Fi in our laptop, so that we can browse the web on a 20-year-old operating system. Yeah, why not? USB, which I think we'll be playing around with that later. All right, so it looks like I think we got everything set up. Press OK and start. Okay, we want to boot from the CD-ROM and start Windows setup from CD-ROM. That's exactly what we want. Welcome to setup. The setup program prepares Windows ME to run on your computer. To set up, press enter. I will. Oh, there we go. Configure unallow. It already needs to restart the computer. Okay, fine. And we want to boot from CD again. Start Windows setup from CD-ROM. I'm honestly hoping it doesn't put us in a boot loop. Okay, good. So it looks like it's formatting the drive now. Wow, that was so fast. Gotta love NVMe SSDs, people. Congratulations on choosing Windows Millennium Edition, the software that makes your computer more powerful, reliable, manageable, and entertaining. Okay, Jan. I accept the agreement. I totally read that. Yeah, I totally read your end user license agreement, Microsoft. Okay. Now make sure you guys don't steal my key for a 20-year-old operating system. I'm putting a lot of faith in you guys not to steal my key. Okay, so now it wants us to select a directory where we want to install Windows. The default one that it chose for us will probably work for now. And let's see. This option is recommended for most computers. Well, this isn't most computers, but it'll work. And typical install. Name. Let's see. Please enter your user information below. My name is Dux. My company name is Company. Yeah, whatever. We'll just have it install drivers on its own. Probably won't be able to find anything. United States, America. Yeah! Pacific time will work. All right, ready to begin copying files. Welcome to Microsoft Windows Millennium Edition. Windows just got better. Yeah, okay, Jan. More innovative. Well, probably not in 2020. Like its predecessor, Windows ME supports new cutting-edge technologies. You mean something as new as this HP ProBook? Faster and easier. Okay. Connects you to the web. I'm not entirely sure if I want to do that. We'll probably end up trying to do that later, though. Delivers the web to you. Not anymore. Oh my god, it's going so fast I can't read it. More entertaining. Can this run Crysis? Oh my god, create and edit whole movies? That's right, because this was actually the first version of Windows that came with Movie Maker. Yeah. Dude, we should definitely try that out later. God, that'd be so much fun. Improved user experience. Sure, Jan. Yeah, right. Does that mean it's going to support hardware in this HP ProBook? Is that a yes? No, I will not be registering my copy of Windows. No, thank you. Okay, now we can restart. Wow, look at that. We got pastels and gradients. Yeah! I wonder how much hardware this is actually going to detect in this laptop, even though we are running this in a virtual machine. Oh my god, I need to... Oh, shit. I'm gonna get so dirty after this. I'm not sitting on it. I don't have a chair out here in the garage, so I'm just sitting on the dirty, dirty floor. Fun. Setting up your hardware. Wait, I thought we were already doing this. What are you doing, fam? And it needs to restart the computer again. Okay, fine. And boot from the hard drive. All right, we're hitting the home stretch, people. After this, we should be in Windows. Oh, this part takes the longest, I swear. Oh, I've done some research, and this is also the part where we could run into some issues. Joy. It's usually right around when they're doing the scanning for plug-and-play devices, as well as the setting up the registry controls. That's usually when Windows ME starts to shit the bed. But so far, it looks like things are looking pretty good. But, you know, knock on wood, or drywall in this case. Oh, hold on, guys. We're almost there. Just a little bit more. All right. So it looks like we're done. All we got to do is restart, and we should be officially in Windows. Okay, password. Nah, Dux doesn't need no password, because he's unsecure like that. Oh my god, hurry up. I'm waiting in anticipation. Whoa, what? Oh my god, shut up! Quiet! Oh no, I can't get it to... No, shush, shut up, shut the hell up. Oh. Oopsies, looks like the sound doesn't work correctly. Is this still going? Yep. Oopsies. Okay, so let's try rebooting the system and see if that fixes the sound issue. And log in as ducks. Okay, good. Whew. I was a little worried there for a second. Now, let's see. Well, now we got a new problem. Sound doesn't work at all. Okay. Sound and multimedia. Huh. Yeah. The audio is just not working at all. Well, that may or may not be a problem for what exactly we want to do. It's whatever. Okay, so it looks like the sound works periodically, I guess. But hey, the sound doesn't work, but at least we got 20 seconds on the boot time. Not too bad. Okay, so it looks like something really got screwed up with the sound drivers. It's whatever. Let's try restarting this bitch again. Hush. Thank you. Oh my god. It works. Yes. It only took me 4 times to reboot, but it works. Oh, magnificent. Okay, so now that we're officially in Windows ME, what exactly can we do with it? Well, we're running this on a virtual machine, so we can't actually, it's virtually impossible to emulate a graphics card. So I got some software to try on this thing as well as some data on my flash drive. So we'll see how things go. Okay, so let's plug in our USB disk drive. I wonder if this is actually going to work or not, but like most things, you never know unless you try. Oh, come on. Okay. So I got some files burnt on this CD. It's got Monopoly from like Windows 3.1. It's got After Dark games, a couple sounds, and etc. Just miscellaneous files. So let's give this a shot. And open up my computer. No, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to open up in Windows ME. Device Manager. Looks like, do we have any? Okay, USB root hub. So we do have USB support on this thing. So I'm not entirely sure why it's not working. Unless there's something misconfigured with the USB. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I wonder if we add this manually, if it'll actually work. Click OK. Now, still nothing. Well, poopy. Grr. USB device filters. I don't know what any of this means. I don't know what I'm doing. You know what? Screw you. Okay. So because Windows ME refuses to recognize anything that's plugged in through USB, that limits what we were going to do with this thing. Damn it. Well, it's not all a bust. I still got my USB drive to try on this thing. Still nothing, even after adding it to the USB filters. Well, we may not be able to install software on Windows ME using USB, but there is one thing that we can do. Let's see, does it have it? Oh, it does. We can play mother frickin' pinball on this thing. Albeit with no sound. Oh, wait, yes we do. Yes. This is the real Windows ME experience. Yeah. Sounds keep glitching in and out though. That's weird. I mean, at least it's playable though. That's a surprise. Hell yeah. Okay, that's enough of that. Now I wonder, can we browse the web on this thing? I want to set up my internet connection manually. Connect through LAN. Automatically discover proxy. Do you want to set up an internet account now? Do I really need one? I shouldn't. Let's try Google.com. Google's website works. Let's see, what version of this Internet Explorer are we running? Internet Explorer 5. When did that come out exactly? Initial release March 18th, 1999, 21 years ago. Oh boy. So yeah, that's quite old. You know what? I wonder. Oh my God, shut up, Facebook. I wonder, can we go to YouTube? Probably not. Let's find out. No, go away. Yeah, I should have known. How about let's try WinWorld PC. Oh my God, why does this keep popping up? Go away. No, stop. WinWorld PC. Go. Nope. Okay, so can we browse on Windows ME? Yes and no. We can go to Google, and that's about it. Oh my good goddamn. Look at it in all of its less than 16-bit colors. Actually, what are we running right now? Oh, 16 colors. So like the bare minimum. And we can't adjust the resolution because we have no graphics drivers. Whoop-de-doodle-doo. Can we play... Let's see, is there any music on this? Oh my God! Ah! Ah! Oh my God! Shut up! I didn't know if that was copyrighted music. Just to play it safe, let's stop right there. Well, besides the fact that we get those weird sound issues and the fact that we don't have graphics drivers, of course, everything seems to work perfectly fine. Games work. The web browser works. Seems like everything else works. So yeah, I'd say this Windows ME experience has been pretty alright. Personally, I've never used Windows ME in my entire life, so this is the first for me. But for the most part, it feels a lot like a mix between Windows 98 and Windows 2000. It's like a good middle ground between those two. And yeah, it's fine. Except the fact that I can't get USB working on it, which I think that might be just because I have my VirtualBox misconfigured or something. But it's whatever. Windows ME, cue the outro. I was expecting you to make a shutdown noise, but sure, that works. That works too.